In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a REPL in Replit. By the end, you'll be ready to open a project workspace and understand the main areas where you'll be building and running code. First, open your web browser and search for Replit. In the results, look for the official Replit website and click through. This ensures you're on the correct platform where you can create and manage your projects safely. Once the home page loads, click Login. If you already have an account, sign in as usual. If not, you can create one in a moment. On the sign-in screen, choose whether to continue with Google or sign in with your email. Pick the option you prefer and complete the quick authentication steps. After that, you'll land on your Replit dashboard. On your dashboard, locate the button labeled Plus Create or Plus Create Repl. You'll typically find it in the top right corner or in the sidebar. This is your starting point for spinning up a new project. Now, choose how you want to begin. One option is to describe what you want to build in plain English. Type a short prompt about your project idea, and the AI agent will set up the initial files and code for you. The more specific you are, the better the starting point you'll get. For example, you might mention the language, the type of app, and any basic features you want. You can always refine later. Another option is to import from GitHub. If you have an existing public repository, paste the URL and pull the code directly into Replit. This is great for jumping into an existing project or sharing work across devices. Just make sure the repository is public and that it includes any setup instructions, such as a README, so you know how to run it once it's imported. After you've set up your new REPL or chosen a repo to import, click Start to open the workspace. Replit may take a moment to provision the environment and install any necessary dependencies, depending on the project. Inside the workspace, you'll see three main areas. On the left is the file sidebar, where you can browse, create, rename, and delete files and folders. This keeps your project organized as it grows. In the center is the code editor, where you'll write and edit your code. Changes save automatically, and you'll get helpful features like syntax highlighting. On the right is the console or terminal, where you'll see the output of your code after you click the Run button. Use this pane to observe logs, read errors, and verify that your program behaves as expected. That's it. You've created a REPL in Replit, and you're ready to build.